and I'm representing Ilocos Norte, the Filipino Society of Hawaii. Actually, whenever I'm in Hawaii, I'm very involved with my community. So being able to see how strong our Filipino community is, I know that many people in the Philippines don't really know that. And to be able to represent the Filipino community of Hawaii allows me to show everyone here that we're very strong and we're still so proud of our culture, even wherever we are in the world.
So what are your plans? How are you preparing for the pageant?
Right now, we're doing a lot of pasarela training, a lot of Q&A, but mostly that's why I'm here in Ilocos Norte actually, is to get back into my roots, to connect with different communities so that I can accurately represent Ilocos Norte and show the Ilocano spirit. I actually love being here in the province, especially. Life is so simple and I can just enjoy spending time with my family and being able to be around the people that I love and eating all the food that I like. Yes, I've seen many pictures of my mom back then wearing a beautiful crown and a dress, and I knew I wanted to do the same as well. So I really wanted to make sure that I can follow that path that I wanted as well. I have, yes. So my very first contest was a Miss Philippines Hawaii pageant, and I also received the title of Miss Oahu Filipina. So all the pageants that I joined in Hawaii are very Filipino centered, and the reason for that is because I wanted to only represent the Filipino community, because that's what my true goals are, is to represent who I'm from, where I'm from, and who I'm with. Actually, when I was very young, I did not think about becoming Miss Universe Philippines. Back then I'm a little bit darker, and then I also was a lot shorter than the standard that I saw that based on TV. So I always thought that maybe becoming a beauty queen is not in my cards right now. But as I grew up, I realized that no matter how I look like, no matter where I come from, it's still possible for you to be able to achieve the dreams that you have.
How old are you?
I'm 24 po. Yes, I'm actually from Nanguyudan, so to be able to give back to the elementary school there and to show these children that no matter where you come from and no matter how many limited resources you may have, there are still many people who will support you in that journey no matter what. Because that's where my dad went to as well. And to see how hard my dad worked ever since, it's something that I want to be able to give back to those children as well.
For you, what it takes to be a Miss Universe Philippines?
To me, it just takes a lot of heart, because you can look the most beautiful, you can be the kindest person in the world, but if your heart's not into being able to achieve those dreams, then you won't put in the work and you won't be able to be authentic in everything that you do.
Do you have a specific advocacies? Yeah.
My advocacy is centered all on the next generation, so I would like to give college and career preparation opportunities for Filipino youth, especially in Hawaii. Because we grew up without the knowledge of Filipino language and culture, it's really hard for you to learn more about it until you get to college or university. And I'm actually a university lecturer at Hawaii. So I noticed that many high schoolers don't have the opportunity to learn more about their Filipino culture. So to be able to invest in them allows them to know where they're from and to really appreciate being Filipino.
You are proud being a Filipina.
Oh yes, I'm very, very proud. To all the fellow Ilocanos and Ilocanas, please support me in this journey, because I'm not only representing myself and the Filipino community of Hawaii, I'm representing each and every one of you, so that you can see that no matter how big your dreams may seem, it is still possible no matter what. Thank you so much. Agyaman launay.